IKEA Ekedalen, Ekedalen IKEA. How to clean an Ekedalen table. The IKEA Ekedalen series is a collection of versatile, extendable dining furniture designed to blend functionality with a clean, modern look. Known for its practicality and simple design, the Ekedalen series is ideal for both small spaces and larger dining areas, offering flexibility to suit various needs. Key features include extendable dining tables. Design. The Ekedalen tables have a minimalist Scandinavian design, with clean lines and smooth finishes. They are available as white, oak veneer, and dark brown, allowing them to fit seamlessly into a variety of interiors. Extendable function. The standout feature is the extendable mechanism. The hidden extension lead can be easily pulled out, allowing the table to accommodate more guests. When not in use, the extension leaf is stored under the tabletop, maintaining a compact size. Durability. Made from sturdy materials like solid wood and particle board with a wood veneer finish, the Ekedalen tables are built to last. The surfaces are also easy to clean, making them ideal for everyday use. Dining chairs. Design. The Ekedalen chairs feature a simple, timeless design with slightly curved backs for added comfort. The seats are upholstered for additional comfort, available in a variety of fabrics and colors to match the table or the room decor. Comfort. The upholstered seat adds comfort for long meals, and the chair design complements the Ekedalen table for a cohesive dining set. Versatility. Ideal for small and large spaces, the extendable feature makes it perfect for compact spaces, such as apartments, where the table can be kept small when not in use, and extended for larger gatherings or meals. Everyday durability. Designed for everyday use, the materials and finishes are chosen to withstand wear and tear while still looking elegant. Range of sizes. The Ekedalen tables come in various sizes, suitable for seating 2 to 4 people in their compact form and up to 6 to 8 people when extended, depending on the model. The IKEA Ekedalen series is ideal for those who want a practical, adaptable dining solution that doesn't compromise on design. It's perfect for households where space efficiency and the ability to accommodate guests are priorities.